Welcome to Hotspot Kitchen. Today I am going to make egg curry. For egg curry I have taken 4 small size onions. Because it is small I have taken 4. If it is larger size 2 is enough. And 2 medium size tomatoes. These are ginger, garlic and chillies. And 5 eggs and a potato. Let us start cooking. Let us pierce this with a fork so that the masalas will go inside the egg. Potatoes I have cut like this. Taken a pan, pouring some 2 tablespoons of oil. Take 1/4 spoon of turmeric, 1/2 spoon of chilli powder, 1/2 spoon of salt. Mix all this together. Let us put the egg and also the potatoes. Let us keep this aside. Taken a kadai, poured about 3 tablespoons of oil, 1/2 spoon of jeera, let us add the ginger, garlic and chillies cut finely. Let the raw smell go of this. Let us add the onions. Let the onions become golden brown in color. Now let us add the tomato puree. The 2 tomatoes I have put it in the grinding jar. Let the tomatoes get cooked. Let us make a paste of this cashew nuts in a grinding jar and put in this. Let us add the dry masalas. 1/2 spoon of turmeric powder, half spoon of chili powder, one spoon of coriander powder, half spoon of this is Kashmiri chili powder, and half spoon of garam masala. Let us give it a good mix. Add some salt also. Give it a good mix. Let us add hot water. Let this boil. Let us add the eggs and the potatoes. And all the masalas. We can crush some potatoes, smash it. Some cashew nut paste. Just close this for a minute. Let us open this. Yes. This is done. We have a very thick gravy. Let us add some coriander. That's it. Offing the flame. Lovely egg curry is ready. Let us taste this. It's perfect. See, the curry is so thick. Friends, this is the egg curry that I have made today. If you have liked my recipe, please like, share and comment, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Stay home, stay safe, and I'll meet you with another video. Thank you.